Run like crazy.
Yeah, like me.
Now the female is lighter color in coat. Is that typical or is that just the way it happens?
They will have different types of coats. Other than the maned wolf. The maned wolf, the males and the females look identical.
Okay. He's just trotting around in a circle.
Your cord looks like it was feeding time or something.
He's looking for water and water
The
was
keepers
right
come up
there.
in trucks,
I think he's just getting
so
some
they're used to them being around at certain times. The keepers have to come in and clean out the pens and get rid of all the extra poop and
Gotta clean up the food.
yeah. Especially since we have visitors, you wouldn't want to smell it if they didn't.
Do they get in there with the wolves?
They do.
They don't.
But they never go by themselves. I mean, they always have somebody else. There's always more than one when they go in.
Now, when you were observing them, did you do it in this enclosure, or did you have them in a...
I sat on the side over there.
Okay.
You know, so you walk
So
up
you kept them
quietly
within
and
the
you sit
normal
down
enclosure.
and they stay in their normal enclosure.